So, friends, we've reached our destination, very excited, and now we are heading towards the rental area because we plan to take a rental car and we'll have that rental car throughout our stay. So, that's going to make it easy for us to travel wherever we like. So, we're just heading towards Hertz Rental, and I'm just simply following my husband. The cool thing is that my husband, he's a gold member. So for gold members, they don't have to go to any counter as such to pick up their car or get details of what car they are getting. So all my husband or we need to do is we just go to the Hertz rental place where they have all their cars kept. And once we reach there, we'll just find out where the gold members area is. And in that area, they'll have a couple of cars and we can just pick whichever car we like. It will have its key in it and we'll just take it and ride. And at the exit, there'll be a man who'll just simply check us out. So this is the area and that's the gold member written right there. And these are all the cars and we can select from all these cars anyone that we like. So not a very good collection of cars, very few, but at least we get to choose. And I guess my husband has already chosen. So off we go.
Slight right to stay on Jeff Fuqua Boulevard.
So friends, look at the weather outside. As soon as we stepped out, it was so hot for us. But the view is beautiful. And oh, I forgot to share with you where we are. Guys, we are in Florida, in Orlando. Yes, Disney World. So really excited and I love those palm trees. And throughout the video, I'm guessing you're going to see lots and lots of palm trees because those are my favorite. And I mean, it makes the scene so beautiful. These palm trees, they add so much beauty to Florida. And the day we left Colorado, the weather was bad, it was cold. But here it is totally opposite. It's hot, it's humid, but I'm totally loving it. Since half the day is already done, so we are thinking that we will not go to Disney World today, but instead look around for Florida, see what are good places. We'll just take a look. But first we'll head to our hotel. And once we reach the hotel, we'll decide where to go. And I'll take you along.
Your destination is on the right.
So friends, we went to our hotel, we tried to research a little bit and finally decided to come to this place. And it seems to be a good place to spend a few hours and we are hoping it's going to be awesome. So let's check this out. So this place is called Disney Springs. And right at the entrance on this big wall, they had the map and all the details. So it basically looks like that it is more like a shopping area. There are a list of so many shops right here and dining places. So I would say shop and eat and have fun.
And make sure you got one and one only. We got a few extra ones right over here. We're about to get this game started. You can go right, left, fast, slow, clockwise, counterclockwise, doesn't matter. There we go. Very safe. Go. You're going to plant that knee down on the ground. One knee touching the ground. Here we go in. 1, 2, 3. Smack it down.
Oh, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and hit the bell icon so it notifies you when I put in my new video for you to enjoy. Bye!